biscuits and gravy for breakfast. Well, you can count me in on that. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. And woke up to a bit of a surprise this morning, and I put my camera on the helmet. I see the, what do you call that, adhesive or whatnot starting to pull away from the helmet. I'm like, ooh, well, let's push that back and then put that on the list of things to fix when I get home.
Use the right lane to take the I-95 North Rail.
That's smart, Chief. Going to a place today that I wanted to go to last month and then
Continue for half a mile.
completely forgot about it and popped up this morning, and I said, well, we're going. I believe the place is called the Breakfast and Burger Bar in Nyack, New York, and I gotta tell you, like I said, when I saw biscuits and gravy, I'm like, yeah, man, you don't gotta twist my arm. I usually make it myself. I mean, it's not hard, but it's always better when somebody else has got to clean up the mess. Yeah, passing. Oh, look, there's a little deer there. Well, not so little, but passing the 9W Market. Damn, a freaking Ferrari sitting there. And here comes a McLaren. Wow. That's right, Gears of Snore, the channel that brings you expensive, exotic sports cars. Big smile on the face under the helmet. Riding the midlife crisis mobile here. Yeah, this place, I was looking at the pictures and I'm like, oh God, we gotta go. We have to go, friends. You know who else has to go? This turd smuggler right here. Breaky Breakerton. Oh, got a mile over 40, better step on that brake. Isn't the Kia Carnival what Deadpool was selling in the last movie, if I remember correctly? This bridge is pretty kick-ass. Go over the Sparkhill Creek. Nah, you ain't gonna see nothing. Coffee place over here too. I gotta try. See the old car. I'm not gonna lie, this is the kind of shit that drives me nuts. Like, how can you be so anal retentive that you're like, I cannot go 1 mile over the speed limit?
Take your next right onto South Broadway.
I'm betting he came over the GW Bridge where he was doing like 50 miles an hour down side streets in the Bronx, Brooklyn, or Queens, comes over here to Jersey, smells the beautiful air, and it's just like, I don't know how to freaking drive. Oh, look, and his passenger's big head is leaning in. I'm gonna help. I'm gonna help us get to our destination. I'm turning off shortly. Maybe if I'm lucky, he's coming too.
Turn right onto South Broadway.
Oh goody, this is where we part ways, friend. Take this with you and be warm tonight. Spandex in full horse. Let us unite, drink caffeine, and hold up traffic. Tis thy Spartan's way. Oh my God, this friggin' earbuds keep kicking off. You know, I don't, for the life of me, understand why Apple and Google were like, well, I don't know if it's Google. I know Apple, you have to have a headset for Indian Harley, etc. You can't pair directly to the bike. What a load of crap. See the river down there. Holy crap, there's a lot of places down here. I didn't know that. You never know, friends. You never know. Ooh, cool little downtown, man. Flex out here showing us guns. Guessing you can pay to park here. Gonna find out. Sick. The Breakfast and Burger Club. I think I'm gonna sit outside.
I can do laundry and if we get the laundry.
The Breakfast and Burger Club. Let me tell you, those biscuits and gravy were so good. I'm gonna give it a never before heard rating on this channel. 2 backflips into a triple Lindy, double backflip, front flip, cartwheel, bonbon fakie, switch stance, double thumbs up. So yes, it's worth going. The place is cool as hell on the inside. It's like an old diner. People helping me were friggin' awesome. This woman, I didn't get her name, blonde hair waitress, cool as hell. She recommended the biscuits and gravy. I was going there for the biscuits and gravy, and oh my god, is that place so good. They have so many burgers and stuff. Yeah, friggin' psyched, man. What a good place. You want to come by? I'm not holding anybody up, man. If you want to go faster than me, I'll push over and let you go, brother. Be safe. They're probably going to the 9W market to get some of that delicious sangria. And some of that awful spandex. If you made it this far, friends, I thank you for watching, and I'm psyched that my Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is still attached to my helmet, even though I can see the adhesive starting to peel off. Like I said earlier, I saw it in the, inside the place too, but I'm gonna call it here and take the camera off. Drop my videos Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. until winter comes, and then it's just Fridays. Appreciate you all, and I hope you'll come back and go check out one of these places I'm posting in my videos, man. They're good shit. Take care.